Hey guys, I'm going to show you the latest little project that came in from Gord down at Kid Equipment. Pretty cool. It's a 1958 Devco, originally an old milk truck, so it's pretty cool. So now this thing is sitting on, they've upgraded the suspension, put 4-link in it, you know, power steering, disc brakes, all that kind of stuff. He's changed it all. The owner, he bought it off, that is, and it's got an LS engine in it, so this is really cool. So he's brought it up to us for a little paint and body work. He kind of wants to go for that patina look on it, and what else can I tell you? So take a look at this cool thing. There it is. How cool looking is that from the front? Now we're going to fabricate, or even we may even buy a visor for up on the windshield and put a visor on it. We're thinking one from a Peterbilt will work, and we'll just cut it down if we have to and make it fit. So like I say, it's got an LS engine in it. Obviously, you know, we got to change the wheels and tires in the front, put a little offset rim in there to get the tire tucked in a bit more. Look at that. How cool is this stuff? Like, look at the Art Deco stuff. Like, you don't see this shit on new cars anymore. And if you did, it would be plastic and break as soon as the first rock hit it. So, you know, it's got the old crank open doors here. Now wait till you see the dash in here. Look at this. Like I say, tilt column, power steering, disc brakes, digital gauges, stereo heater. It's got everything you can imagine. He went with the orange color, which back in the day, a lot of these trucks, these milk trucks, were kind of this similar orange. This is just the GM orange. Put some cup holders in there, so in case you know you got a couple wobbly pops going down the road. These are actually, these lights apparently are off like a train or something in the 1940s. The owner, or previous owner, told Gord. It's got a seat in here. Gord's got some plans for it. He's going to change it a bit. I'm not going to say what he has planned. So, come around the back here. You know. So there's a lot of space in here. And like I say, what you're seeing right now, let's just say the dash is going to stay, but everything else is going to be changed inside. He's got quite the idea. I can't wait to show you guys. We're going to get rid of these lights on the back for Gord. Those are just some sort of like, fuck, they look like they belong on a tractor trailer or the side of one of your U-Haul trailers, right? So this is the only bad spot of the whole thing, just across in here. So we're going to cut this panel out. We're going to fabricate a new piece and put it in. We're going to leave, like, anywhere that there are, like, if you can't really see this on here, but the fenders are dented, we're leaving all that because Gord wants to kind of give this thing a paint job. Then he wants to scrub it through and go for that fake patina look. And then he's going to put his advertising down the side. I mean, he's got a perfect billboard right there on the side, right? He can put Kid Equipment on there. He can put Rockin' River Fest. He can do whatever he likes. But yeah, what a neat little unit. I don't know. Just awesome. Look at that. Super, super cool. I don't know why, every time I see this, I kind of think of like Cheech and Chong, whatever. Up in Smoke, or Still Smoking, I can't remember which one it was. But anyway, another classic movie. But the front end is just killer on this. I just love it. So that is what one of the latest projects are. We've got several projects coming in. And if you can see in the background, you can see we finished off with all the old style wood we've put in the shop. We got to put doors up next. We're going to put doors there. That's going to be like our little fab shop area. You can see we got a doorway through there, and we're going to wood all the way across there. So we're going pretty good. So next thing is doors, and then we got to tidy up some of the electrical in there that we took down, and away we go. So everything's coming along good. That's it. So just wanted to show you guys that. So if any of you local guys are looking for a trailer out there and you're in the Fraser Valley or wherever you're at, it doesn't matter if you're in the Fraser Valley. If you're over in the island, if you're in Langley, if you're in Aldergrove, wherever you're at, Gord, Kid Equipment, he's got 3 sites, and he's the guy to go see. He can help you out with flat decks, anything you need, enclosed trailers. He is the man to go see. So remember, Kid Equipment. So okay guys, so thanks for watching. It's always a good time at old time. We'll see you next time.